why you have FB over
Ito
3.
parang ano talaga yung bullshit.
So each data rate is equal to 1/3 of the incoming data rate. That means that your data rate has been divided into 3. Like yung kanina doon sa susunod, wala naman kayo susunod. Tapos, kagaya doon sa exam, no? That you are asked to get the masagot ay 3.33 megahertz.
Opo.
So, this is the reason. So, again, the I and Q bits depend on the polarity of the PAM signal at the output of the 2 to 4 level converters. And then, still, no? The C channel determines the magnitude. Same with the APSK. So, yun lang yung difference. So, sabi dito, because the C bit is fed and inverted, no? Dito kasi binabaliktad, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng negative C, no? But for the 8QAM, your C bit, or bit C, no, is uninverted to both I and Q channel. The magnitude of the I and Q pump signals are always equal. So the polarities depend on the logic condition of the I. So that means if your I is 0, then your output will be 0. So hindi na niya ini-invert. Unlike dito sa 8PSK, using your 2 to 4 level inverter, the output will be different. So let's take the example. For a tri-bit Q is equal to 0, equal yan. 1 is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0, or 0, 0, 0. Determine the output amplitude and phase of the 8QAM transmitter as shown in 8QAM transmitter block diagram. Okay, sabi dito, the inputs to the I channel 2 to 4 level converter are I is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0. So yung truth table natin, this one. Oh, this one. This truth table is for 0, 0 you have negative 5.41 volts. Yun yung nasa ito. So the inputs to the Q channel 2 to the 4 level converter are Q is equal to 0, equal to 0. Again, from the truth table, the output is negative yan. Wala naman negative. Dito na lang sa baba. The two inputs to the I channel product are negative 5.1 and sign WC. So the output is negative 5.41 sign omega C. So the outputs from the I and Q channel product modulators are then combined with the linear summer. So linear summer, so dito yung pinagko-combine yung filtered or yung output, no? If it's 1, so it is being combined for the summer, no? Linear summer. Okay, so the summer output will be 5.41 sin omega t minus 5.41 cosine omega t. So that will result to 0.765 sin omega ct minus 135 degrees. Okay, so by the phasor diagram, so this is the truth table, this is the phasor diagram, and this is the oscillation diagram. So for the truth table, if you have is, what do you call this? 90 degrees out of phase from each other. No? And for the resulting amplitude, you have different amplitude, as you can see, no? Nagbabago. Unlike dun sa 8 PSK natin, kung mapapansin nyo, yung amplitude natin is constant. But for this one, take a look at the amplitude. For this one, you have 0.765. Yan, mas maliit lang yan. Then, you have 1.848 volts. This is the resulting amplitude. And then, again, you have small amplitude. Those are going to be your higher amplitude. So, by just following on the truth table and the phasor diagram, you'll be having this output phase versus your amplitude versus time relationship. So for the constellation diagram, pinakita lang yung pag-plot ng mga points. So for the bandwidth consideration, in 8 QAM, the bit rate in the ISU channel is 1/3 of the input binary. Bakit 1/3? Doon din siya galing sa bit rate natin na FDD over 3. Diba? So as a result, the highest fundamental frequency, modulating frequency and the fastest output range are the same as with the 8 PSK. So, like what I said, no? They are almost similar, no? But the amplitude changes, no? The magnitude of your voltage. So the minimum bandwidth required for 8 QAM is same with the 8 PSK, which is FB over 3. Same with the, yung application niya, yung same ng kanyang bit rate, so same rin siya sa pagdating sa receiver, they are almost identical. The difference is that the pump signals at the output of the product detectors and the binary signals at the output of the analog to digital converter. So sabi dito, because there are two transmit amplitudes possible, alam yung sinasabing transmit amplitude possible. This is the 1.848 and 0.765. So, like, it can be negative or positive dependent on your phase, no? Kung nasaan siya. There are two transmit amplitudes possible with the 8 QAM that are different from those achievable with the 8 PSK. The four demodulated pump levels in the 8 QAM are different from those in the 8 PSK. So yun yung pagkakaiba. The conversion factor for the analog to digital converters are also different. Next, is with the 8 QAM, the binary output signal from the I channel, analog to digital converter are the I and C bits, and the binary output signals from the Q channel, analog to digital converter are the Q and C bits. So, kung ano yung pinaka-output niya, hindi niya na hindi na binabago, no? It's just a combination with the controller bits, not the C bits. That's the end of the 8 QAM, no? Hindi na siya yung that 16 QAM. So this is an MRE system where M is equal to 6 and your input data are active on the port. So as with the 8 QAM, both the phase and the amplitude of the transmit carrier are varied. So let's take a look on the transmitter, no? For the 16 QAM. Ano yung difference nila doon sa what do you notice?
I prime.
Wala na yung controller, yung PC, di ba?
Yes po.
And your I and the C channel has been split into 4, no? Having now the I prime and Q prime. So sabi dito, 4 bits are serially clocked into the bit splitter, no? So this 4 bits Q prime, I and I prime are being splitted, no? And simultaneously transmitted, no? So your I prime and I's went to the first 2 to the 4 level converter, and your Q bits which splitted into 2 Q and Q prime went to your another 2 to the 4 level converter. So your output goes to your balance modulator. So the I and Q bits determine the polarity and output of the 2 to the 4 level converters. Say for example, you have a logic 1, so you have the positive, and for the logic 0, you have negative polarity. So that means that you will have if your output is logic 0, you will have I prime. Okay? So the I and Q bits determine the magnitude, which is equal to 0.821 volts for the positive, no? And logic 0 is 0.22. So conversely, ganun din pagdating sa dito, sa baba naman. Sabi dito, the 2 to the 4 level converters generate a 4 level pump signal. So the polarities and the 2 magnitudes are possible. There are 2 polarities and 2 magnitudes. No? You have 0.22 volts and positive and negative 0.821 volts. Okay? So ito ay positive and negative. Should be positive as well. Positive 0.22. Should be positive and negative 22. Nakalagay sa book ay 0.22 volts. So, kinukuha yung kanyang polarity. Positive and negative 22. So yung pump signals naman has been modulate the in-phase and quadrature carrier in the product modulator. Alam yung product modulator na tinatawag natin? Nag-isda, combine yung balance modulator natin. So your outputs which are possible for each product modulator. So we have itong mga values na to, yung sin omega t positive, negative 8.21 sin omega t, both, and your 22 same lang din to doon sa ating APSA dati for the four possible output. So for the Q product, it's also the same. It should be on your cosine function. As you are talking about your y-axis, no? Dating dun sa face niya. No? That's what I discussed last time. So the Q product is on your cosine function and your IB, sorry. Your QB is your cosine and your I is your sine function. So ano naman daw yung function ni linear summer? So the linear summer combines the outputs from the I and Q channel product modulator. So itong balance modulator natin will be combined, no? With our linear summer. Then it produces the 16 output condition necessary for 16 quad. So for that, the truth table, kakaroon ka ng apat na one big, no? So you have four combinations.
Kulang pa ako 5.
Truth table. For this part, this is the for the bandwidth consideration naman. Sabi dito with a 16 QAM, because the input data are divided into 4 channels, the bit rate in the I prime, Q and Q prime channel is equal to the 2/1/4, no? That is the highest fundamental bit rate. So this is part of your transmitter, no? And then it goes to your 2 to the 4 level converter. So your output will be two-phase 4 voltage level, which is on your sine negative function, okay? Because you are on your I channel. Sabi dito with a 16 QAM modulator, there is one change in the output signal. So it can be by phase or by amplitude or combination of both. For every 4 input data bits. Ano yung 4 input data bits na sinasabi natin? This is your Q prime, I prime. Consequently, the bond equals FB is equal to over 4. No? So this is the same as the minimum bandwidth. So the timing relationship between the binary input data, which we have I prime, Q prime, and Q. So it can be seen that the highest fundamental frequency in the I prime, Q or Q prime is equal to the 1/8 of the bit rate of the binary input data, or Q channel takes the same amount of time as 8 input bits. Okay? So for your 1 complete revolution, you have your 8 bits, combination of 8 bits coming from your 4 bits on your upper half cycle, and another for your half using your another 4 bits. So sabi dito, the highest fundamental frequency of either PAM signal is equal to 1/8 of the binary input bit rate. 1/8. Bakit? Kasi 8 bits yung kailangan, no? For you to complete your 1 cycle. Let's take the example. This is also coming from your book. So for a 16 QAM modulator with an input data FB equal to 10 megabits per second and a carrier frequency of 70 megahertz, we are asked to determine the minimum double-sided Nyquist frequency and the baud rate.
Baud rate. Baud. Mega baud.
So sabi dito, the bit rate in I prime, Q, and Q prime channel is equal to 1/4 of the input bit rate. No? Why? Because yung ating kaninang 2 to the n or is equal to 4. No? So FB over 4. So each bit is equal to the, equally divided into 4. So since you are given of 10 megabits per second, so silang apat yung naghati-hati. So you have 2.5 megabits per second. So the fastest rate of change in the highest fundamental frequency presented to either balance modulator is equal to your FB or the bit rate, no? For each bit. So hinati pa ulit siya sa dalawa from your FA. So your FA is equal to 2.5, which is your FB over 4. Again, it is affected with your 4 bits, no? Then it is divided into 2. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 1.25 megahertz. So again, our balance modulator. So this is a multiplication of 2 phase, no? So we have 2 sin 2 pi FA, which is our modulating frequency, multiplied by sin 2 pi F carrier or our carrier frequency. So na-prove na natin to with our trigonometric identity, which is 1/2 cosine 2 pi multiplied by FC minus FA. Absolute, no? Kasi hindi mo na pwedeng i-minus yung FA, which is your modulating frequency, which is lagi siya mas mababa. Diba? Tandaan nyo na laging yung mas carrier yung higher frequency. Kaya kumbaga siya yung sinasakyan.
Sana all carrier. Di sir, carrier lang ang sinasakyan mo. Sa baba.
other side is 70 plus 1.25.
Usually,
So your Nyquist bandwidth is equal to 71.25. Came from this one. 71.25. And 68.7. So your bandwidth is 2.5 megahertz. Since we are using 16 watt, so this is substituted to your equation 10. Kung mapapansin nyo yung ating Nyquist bandwidth, so equation 10 ano pa? Dami-dami pa. Yes. So your bandwidth is equal to 10 megabits per second over 4. So you have 2.5 megahertz, which is also equal to your symbol rate, which is 2.5 megavolts. So for your output spectrum, your timing, no? For your bit rate, so you have your T1 constitute with your 1 combination of your 1 and 0. So this is the output spectrum. So your bandwidth is equal to 2.5 megahertz. So yun, ito yun. Okay, so this one is like a summary, no? Also for your UPSK, UPSK, 8 QAM, and 16 PSK, as well as 16 QAM. So, given dito yung mga N natin, no? Which is your divisor using your F, or yung F over when getting your Nyquist bandwidth. So F over 2, if you have QPSK, you are having FB over 2. If you have 8 PSK and 8 QAM, you have FB over 3. So if you are given of 12 kilobits per second, or 12,000, no? So 12 kilobits per second over 2, so you have 6,000 hertz, or 6 kilohertz. And your volt is also 6,000 or 6 kilovolt. So, consequently, sabi dito, your 12 kilobits data stream can be propagated to a narrower bandwidth using 16 PSK or 16 QAM than the lower levels of encoding. So, kung mapapansin nyo, if pagtaas ng level ng encoding natin is mas nare-reserve, naka-conserve yung bandwidth na. That's why it is advisable for the transmission using higher levels of encoding, no? Which is 16 and 16 PSK. So it goes along, no? Pwede rin siya maging 64, pwede maging 128. So this is divisible by 2. So for this summary, it's given as the highest level of encoding at 128 PSK or 128 QAM. your outputs possible is getting higher as you go for higher level of coding, no? Encoding. So last topic is the bandwidth efficiency. No? So this is sometimes called information density or spectral efficiency, which is often used to compare the performance of one digital modulation technique to another. So bandwidth efficiency is generally normalized to 1 Hz bandwidth and thus indicates the number of bits that can be propagated through a transmission medium for each Hz of bandwidth. Bakit? 1 Hz. Bakit in terms of Hertz daw? Pansinin niyo yung formula, mathematical formula. So your Hertz, they are both cycle, meaning one complete phase, not revolution. So in terms of, both of them are in terms of seconds, no? With respect to time, no? So bits per second and cycle per second. So both cancel out. So your resulting unit will be bits per cycle. So ito yung ano niya, pinaka symbol, no? BN. Ano ba yan? Anong ano yan? Anong Greek letter yan? Eta.
Punyeta. General yun na.
Word efficiency. Yung eta is efficiency in Greek. So bandwidth efficiency is also given as percentage
Bakit naman, ang ibig sabihin?
multiplied by 100. May review na ba kayo?
Opo, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Lagpas na kayo?
Ano sa pansin? Nasa siwag.
Yung kayo sa may video ng sir, kasi ako.
Ilang
Nandala na ba tayo? Magugulo yung pakas. Iba kasi sir yung priorities. Hindi ka nga namin sir.
So, nakasabay siya sa isang sem lang.
Sa subject lang sir. Eh, yung apat na subject sir. Sa isang subject lang nila i-test. Layas at mga Layas at mga isa. EST at saka TLS.
Bawin niya mga ako. Gusto ko bawin ko.
So, abutahan pa. Eh, hindi po namin na-take yung review 1 and 2. JS na. Tapos next sem po ay EST at TLS. So, sabi mo kapag sa DBS.
Ba't ngayon?
Uy, uy.
Ano nga ba mga subject?
EST Alex Reyes.
Iba-iba lang tawag.
Thesis.
EST ata sir yung mga
Kami nga,
course.
di ba na nabutan? Tatlo lang sa atin dati. Tatlo pero mas na
Tapos kung review,
Oo, apat yung sa mga
Math, English, tsaka art.
ay, wala kayong JS, sir.
Hindi na sir EST.
Pero hindi kasi included sa math.
Pinagsama.
Doon na lahat yung mga dynamics, solid mensuration.
Oo.
Bakit?
Sir Lian.
Sir, pwede naman.
Sir, yan yung expression.
sir.
Oo, sir.
Gawa ng
Sila bro.
Grabe.
ano yung mga nagpa sa top notcher mismo? Sa inyo nga.
Grabe sir. Araw-araw na ako nag-review, tapos may review ko. Baka wala tatapos sa review.
Akala ko
Nahanap ko na. Nahanap ko na yung pati. Kanina ko pa hinahanap. Hirap mahanap ko.
Ayan ang si Wes. Yes, dyan nga pala si Wes. I-update ko yung bento ko ah. Nasa ano mas kaysa. Si Ronnie
Okay, so let's make this last example. For an APSK system, operating with an information bit rate of 24 kbps, determine about the both minimum bandwidth and bandwidth efficiency. So what is determined again? We are substituting the equation 10. So we are on the APSK, you have FB over 3, which is equal to 8,000. Same with your bandwidth. Okay? But your efficiency is 24 kbps over 8,000. So you have 3 bits per second per cycle of bandwidth. Or 3 bits per cycle. You will get 3 bits per cycle. So for 16 PSK naman, the transmission with 10 kHz bandwidth determines the maximum bit rate. So if you are given 4 bits and you have the bandwidth of 10,000 hertz or 10 kilohertz, so just multiply the to get your bit rate. So parang minanipulate lang yung formula. Instead of dividing the bandwidth, you are going to multiply your bit rate. I mean to the bits, number of bits. Okay, so that's it. That will cover your quiz.
Quiz next week. Isang module to.
Yun na yung module.
Ang module 3?
Oh, sabi sa'yo yung midterms.
Kasi nakaka-survey pa ako ng gano'n.
Ilang items po midterms natin?
Ay, gagawin ko pa.
Pero talaga si Lowen.
Baka mga ano,
100. Pag ganun, madali lang yun kasi multiple choice. Yung wala nang
siguro may problem solving. Pero yun, madali lang.
Galing na lang sila.
Wala nang pasok.
Automatic.
Hindi.
Wala nang answer.
Nakakos talaga ng bit na yung sabi ko sa'yo. It's so good.
Wala kasi kami practice set. Kaya sabi ko wala nang pasok.
Always a decision.
Decision ko na.
Binubuhat niya eh.
Ganito po yung ginawa ko.
Ano yan? Wallpaper rin yan.
Pinagdano ano si Yun ako niya. Wow. Oh, mo. Upload mo.
Oo. 7:05. 7:05.
Ang git nga naman. Makita ko
bata yun.
Hindi pa po masarap.
Oo.
Sikat lang yung ano.
Kapatid mo siya.
First time nyo ba? First time nyo ba?
Opo. Kaya
Para sa kanya. Uy, naaras kami.
sumpa yung isa.
Hindi kasi ko na kayo siya kasi na-original.
Pa? Ano, sir? Sir, ba't ayaw niyo? Opo. Ito talaga si Sir Kim. Sir, ba't ayaw niyo? Full time. Sir,
Sir, hindi pwede.
Sir, ba't ayaw niyo full time?
Sir, huwag kayo magpapagsa.
Wala na tayong papapos.
Sir, mag-graduate mo lang full time kasi gusto na niya sabihin, magmas ka. Tsaka ano, diba?
36 units ang hawak mo.
Ang tama na kailangan gusto rin lang ako.
Wow! Not the norm, pero galing mo na.
Ayos lang yan, bro.
Friends.
Pagka-graduate mo.
Ah,
Uy, mas bigay ko.
Si Princess.
Kuya, ayos ka lang. Parang kasi ano, yung kamoy.
Ah, okay. Tapos ay siya yung
Alam mo yun?
Ang lala niya. Kapag din si Kuya Steven.
Uy,
Kaya lang siya na tapos yung
paralyzed yun, pre, paralyzed. Yung ano siya, di ba?
yung wife mo ni Sir is sa cover.
Ira-ira.
Wala, lagi naman sumasabi. Pasa yung similika na yun.
Ikan.
Okay, palit na akong team. Para makahabol.
Pre, akala mo all time.
Okay lang, mahabol nila. Tapos pabalik ka doon. Antay kami.
Bago.
Dilibre daw ni Nathan mag-anak.
Ay, na-data na ako.
Kaya,
Bigyan mo ako ng controller.
Hindi, nakaana. Ang difficult na yung nakapis.
Basta mga permissions.
Malupin.
Gusto.
Tampakan
Business
na
ka.
Pwede nga yung
Basta hindi 50.
kaya mo sabihin mo mo, babe, kaya mo na.
Si Kerry kahit hollow pin yung ano nitira pa rin. Si Kerry, sabihin ko tinitira ko.
Saka,
Screen.
walang lugi.
Kumbaga ako.
Hindi, sabi nga daw ni Sir, ang may mga
pero may hirap natin
si Sir Kim daw ay pag-part-time dito ay gawa ng sayang daw yung oras. Naghihintay ka sa kanya.
Nathan, what's this?
Ay, hindi naman Sir Kim, pero balita ko
Na. Gusto mo din?
Ah, that's so sad.
Na.
Tapos sir, get mag-grade. Mas sir, nag-mag-grade ako.
Niligpit ako. Hindi ko binalian.
Oo, sige sir, top na grade.
Sabi ko nga, Chen, chocolate ka.
Oo, sir, sinerge ko. Oo, part 7.
Kung sila pa rin itong
Ay, di pala, mga 10 pala.
Whiskey.
Opo.
Circuit?
Sinerge ko
Top 2 yun, sir. Top 2.
Sir Leon yun.
Ah, circuit ba? Sir Leon pala naisip ko.
And ayaw mo, pero...
Hoy, sir, grabe naman. Top 7 sa circuit?
kailangan may mag-top sa inyo.
Sir, ako magtatap.
Sir, si Ben po, sanay na.
Alam ko na magtatap mo.
What?
Sinabis daw ko, magta-top na.
Bro.
Sa birthday ako mag-ano. Para meron.
Bro, be riding.
Uy!
Sir, mga carrier po kami. Na, bro. Bro, be riding sa gear. Akala ko ba bike lang. Kaya po namin mag-top.
Bye po sa ngayon, ha?
Naka-video.
Ayun, no!
Na, bro.
Tak pala gusto mo.
Walang ko lang yun, yung kanina, yung kay Sir Bon, yung tapalog ang tawag yun.
Pwedeng pwede mo.
Sila yung boto.
Oh, no. Bottom ka, no?
What?
Kaya.
Uy, record ba?
God damn, bro. Sarap to.
What?
What?
Should be doing all the work.
Palagi bang puno yung pay parking dun sa BB?
Hindi ko lang.
Tapos titira doon lang ako
Paya mo.
ng item na yan.
Dapat sir,
Na...
Hindi, mag-content ka kasi.
That sounds good. That sounds good, bro.
So yun. O, ikaw yung
Uy, ba't mo nakain ka sa tayo?
Yan na.
Laki.
Sumas pang bantay.
Ay, panira eh. Kobe, ito naman. Pagod na si Kobe.
Tapos yung ano naman yung account. Sige, kunyari mag-bit ka. Try mo yung bit ka.
Oh my God.
Basta ganito yung base.
Wala mababatay ko, friends.
Nice one, guys. Okay, magic dyan sa likod.
Sana nandun din siya sa midterms.
Not 67 FPS lips.
Patay na yan.
Kapay na ko si Francis.
Gawa mo sa inyo.
Kumusta ka po ako dito? Kung hindi makatira ang aking mga bata, nakaka-treasure na sila. Ayaw na. Gusto ko ito. Gusto ko ito.
Kaya kayo nag-start sa inyo
Hindi na tumatalo yung interest eh. Ang
July pa ako
6 months to take again. Grabe ang tagal ng hold down. May pagkakataon ko mag-win.
Pero dapat
Reason guys. Hindi, ang para sure tayo.
Sana ako kay Sir El na Sir El na naman yung full time. Ako lang.
Lamang ako boy. Halap eh.
Tapos siya din lang advisor na.
Worth it yalo.
Tama siya. Thank you, sir. Nag-watch
Yan sabi ng coach. Tayo. Ako libro naman. Ay, hindi pala tumingin. Ang bilis.
Sino, sir? Kabatch niya yun?
Si libro kaya nag-Spider-Man.
Talon ka na.
Friend daw sila sa Facebook.
Apen ang hindi sila
Hindi po sila magkakasal.
Parang gano'n. Lumilito yung mga gano'n. Parang gano'n. Tatak sila.